Everyone, I hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'm going to talk about what CAS is, how you can get it from our university, and how to avoid simple mistakes and how to make your life more simple. CAS stands for Confirmation of Acceptance of Studies. It's an official letter. Well, it's an electronic letter that's sent to you by the university, and it's the most important document for everything else. This proves two things to the UK Home Office. One, that you've been accepted onto a course from our university, and next is that the university is confident that you'll be thriving here. So, CAS is by far the most important document when it comes to your study abroad. Now, let me tell you about the steps to get your CAS at the university. So, first step is to firmly accept your offer. So, if you have a conditional offer, make sure to complete your conditions. It could be exam results, your English language scores, etc. And next, if you already have an unconditional offer, or if you get your unconditional offer, that's it. That's step one for you. And next is you pay your deposit. So University of Glasgow asks for a tuition fee deposit of usually £2,000. So until you pay, there's no cash. So make sure that you pay your deposit before anything else is started. So third is to fill all the necessary details and documents for CAS. So after the deposit is done, you'll be emailed about the supposed to upload all the required documents that you'll need, such as the passport copy, academic certificates, English language test, financial documents, and TB test if it's needed for your country. So this is your first step to securing a CAS certificate. If you don't have any one of the documents, you will be asked to do so. So the earlier you do, the more faster and quicker you get your CAS. So make sure that you don't mess up any documents. This is a quick tip. Make sure that all of your documents are clearly uploaded and there are no blurry images, because you'll be asked to re-upload corrected documents as soon as possible. So make sure that you do all better in one go. And then fourth step is a pre-CAS check. So the university team will review your uploads. If there's missing anything unclear, incorrect, they'll email you and update you about your CAS. So make sure that you kind of go through everything and do it as soon as possible. And one more really good tip is that make sure to approach the university if you want help with anything. Staffs are not scary, so make sure you email them for any information and just make sure you message them if you have any doubts. Step is that you'll be receiving your draft CAS. So once you've received your draft CAS, this is the most important step for everybody. So make sure that your name, date of birth, course title, course dates, fees paid, everything is really correct. If you spot any mistakes, make sure to immediately reply to them, not by a casual email. So you can go to the portal and make sure that you can type the incorrect details for them so that they can fix it. And this is a really, really important part. May not use the CAS if there's any mistake in it, because the university will not be able to switch or correct any mistakes in the future if you've already used your CAS. So make sure that you finalize your CAS first and get the final CAS certificate before you proceed with anything else. So your final step would be to get your final CAS, which you'll receive through your email. Once everything is confirmed, the university also submits your final CAS to the UK Home Office. You'll get the CAS number in a mail, and this is the number you'll be needing for your student visa application and everything else when it comes to your procedure. Really easy to mess up documents if you're in a hurry. Make sure to not upload the wrong documents. Make sure that it's in the correct file size. Have a really good financial document to meet your visa regulations, because the bank statement, and if it shows the right funds, and the money must be held at least for 28 consecutive days in your bank account. If not, wait until 28 days complete to upload new statement, because all these things are something the UK Home Office checks really vigorously. So make sure that everything is accurate information and not just whatever you know of. And please do not ignore your draft CAS, because always make sure to review and analyze if there's any mistakes, because silence is not acceptance. If you ignore it and there's a mistake, the visa officers won't be kind and they'll obviously notice everything. And the final thing of all is don't miss your emails. Please check your inboxes very regularly and your spam folders every single day until you get your CAS, because that's the golden thing that you can do, which is to complete everything as soon as possible. Make sure that you reply to them immediately and make sure that you get through everything so simply. So that's pretty much it from my side. I hope this video helped you a little bit to feel a little less stressed, and see you all at Glasgow very soon. Bye bye. Take care.